Hi everyone, my name is Becky Turner and I'm happy to introduce myself today and tell you a little bit about me. I love my family. I have 4 kids, they're all married, and 3 grandkids. This picture right here was taken in Newport Beach, where we spent 10 days as a family, and my kids live all over, so it was a huge feat to get everybody together. And this is a picture of me and my husband. We just got back from a whirlwind 2-week trip to Europe, and this picture was taken at the Paris Temple. I feel like I picked something up on the trip, so my voice is a little scratchy. I've been married for 33 years, and I love to hike, which you can tell in these pictures. I hiked the Grand Canyon. That was my biggest hike, and it was a big feat for me. Something I checked off on my bucket list. I care about my health, and as well as the health of others. I try to eat right, and I love to exercise. Online school is a little tough for me because I sit a lot doing my studies, and I don't like to do that. I like to be up and moving. I love to learn and travel, as you could see in my other pictures. And my next slide here is my favorite quote, one of many. I just picked this one. This is by C.S. Lewis. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. And obviously this is perfect for me because I'm setting a new goal in my life. I've never had a degree. I'm getting my degree for the first time, and I'm 57, so it's never too late. My public health experience and career goals. I have 2 kids that are in the medical field, so it doesn't surprise me that I'm interested in it also. I volunteer in a hospital, which I'm actually ready to go there in about 15 minutes. I'm interested in health and wellness as a whole. It's very interesting to me to keep up on all the news about what keeps us well and happy and living longer. My goal is to earn my bachelor's degree, and I'll do that in about 2 years, God willing. And I will use that to serve a mission with my husband in a third world country. So I don't think I'll be out in the work field. I'll be about 60 by then. And so we're going to take it out on a mission. So I'm excited to do that. And what I hope to gain from this class is to learn more about the public health field through community efforts, and to learn to work with others through group efforts. So hopefully we'll be working together and meeting each other and helping each other. And an added measure of confidence moving forward to earn my bachelor's degree, because it's going to take confidence and a super willing mind to keep moving forward at my age. It was great to meet you all, and hope to see your other introductions.